All right, so of course you want to make money online because you want to be rich, right? And the overwhelming amount of options that you could pursue is so overwhelming that it leads to you doing nothing. You jump around between option A, option B, between drop servicing, drop shipping, trading, affiliate marketing, selling online courses. You bounce around between all those things and it leads to you doing nothing really and having no success, really, and no consistent stream of cash flowing into your bank account every month, right? And that is the worst thing that can happen. It's called analysis paralysis. Okay, it means you analyze all the different options. You always think the grass is greener on the other side, which leads to you doing nothing. Let me tell you a secret. The grass is not greener at the other side. It's greener where you water it. And this is right now a golden age where you can make a lot of money with very simple things. But if you don't act now, these times will pass and it will get harder again. Then you will just sit there and the opportunities have passed while other people have taken advantage of these same opportunities that you missed because you were jumping around between different models all the time. And these same people will also be the ones that take your girl that you're in love with as their fifth mistress just because they can. Okay, so you need to start now. You need to make something happen. You need financial freedom. What does that mean? Okay, so if your lifestyle, a lifestyle that you enjoy, costs $5,000 a month, $5,000 a month, then you need to make at least $10,000 a month to call yourself financially free. Okay, so how do you get there? You need a business that provides you a consistent cash flow. And that's pretty simple, right? You need $10,000 a month in profit. But how do you get that? Because there are so many options. And let's analyze that for a second and then get right into action. Okay, so for most of them, you need resources that you probably don't have. Dropshipping, let's be honest, it really only works if you have one thing, that is money to invest. But you need money for ads. And starting that with zero money can really take a lot of time. It is a great business model, but once you have money, like if you're starting from zero, it's not the best option, okay? You need money to invest, and still, if you have the money to invest, it's hard to make it work. Second thing you may be thinking about, trading. Like there's really very, very, very small minority of people that actually make money with trading. Yes, there are some, of course, but like absolute majority of people lose money trading. 99% of traders like actually lose money. Okay, most lose money. There's a very small minority that make money, and you as a beginner, as a complete beginner, the chances are not very high that you're going to be like part of that small percentage that actually makes money. Besides from that fact, you also need money to make money with trading, so you need to start somewhere and also need capital again. Next thing, for example, selling online courses. For that, you need a following online, you need an audience that you can sell these to. So with all of these business models, you need some resources that you probably don't have. But there is one business model that's really the fastest way in my personal experience, and also most of my friends used that business model to become financially free. And this is all no cap. You can check out my Instagram and check out the lifestyle that me and my friends live, and like check all of that out. Okay, so it is pretty simple. It is called a service-based business. And the question is, what do you really want? Do you want to make something that's super fun and that is your passion and be broke, or do you want to start with something that's maybe boring but provides you a healthy cash flow so you then have the ability to do what you really love? I think it's smart to just start with cash flow. So service-based business sounds boring. What is it really? Also what people call SMMA or drop servicing or many other names. The thing is, you sell the service to a business owner. Business owner has a lot of money, doesn't care if he sends you $2,000, $5,000, $10,000 a month. Then once you sold the business owner, then you hire a freelancer and let the freelancer fulfill the service to the business owners. You don't have to do the work, and that is pretty much it. This is pretty simple, and I cannot go in detail, but I will just go over the steps that you need to take to make that happen for you right now, okay? And then at the end I have a gift for you where you can actually really get a step-by-step plan that you can follow to make that happen. First thing, you need to find a niche, an audience that you can sell to. You can go with realtors, you can go with solar businesses, like so many things that you could go with. That's the first step, finding a niche, and if you need help with that, you can join my free school community down below. And there I actually have a list of 50 niches that are proven to work right now, and also 200 services that you could provide. These are services for each of the niches that you could provide them, okay? So pretty much proven to work things that you could use if you have really no idea. Step number 2, developing your offer. Okay, you need to sell them something. obviously. So you need a service, you need a good offer for that, okay? For example, real estate agents. We help you sell 20 more houses every month, or you get your money back. That would be an awesome offer, right? So have a great offer that makes it easy to sell. You have found your audience and you have your offer, your no-brainer offer. You go ahead and you need to start outreaching, okay? So step number 3 is getting a list of the potential clients that you could close. And I have a video on that. I will link it down below how you get a list. But you can basically contact people on Fiverr to get your list of real estate agents in your country or whatever your niche might be. You get a list, and once you have the list, you start outreaching. That's step number 4. You start contacting these people. And for that, it really matters where your audience is. Real estate agents, they're on the phone all day long, so you call them. E-commerce people, they're not on the phone at all. You will never want to call them. You send them an email or you send them an Instagram DM. That's where they're at, right? So that is step number 4, and try to really provide value with your outreach. You can just say like, oh, we just helped Edwin sell 5 more houses every month consistently just through our system XY. Then you can use that as proof, and it will be so much easier to sell people and to get people on a Zoom meeting and so on. Step number 5, actually, after you outreach people, is getting them on a Zoom meeting. Pretty simple, okay? You sell them the $2,000 monthly retainer, the $5,000 monthly retainer, or whatever you want to charge. Even if you just close 1 out of 10 meetings, like, it's not the end of the world, because it should be pretty easy for you if you have a great offer and if you are good at communicating to set meetings, okay? So you do that after you close the client and secure the retainer, make them pay right on the call. Then you hire your freelancer, and for example, the client pays you $2,000 per month. You then pay your freelancer $500 per month, and you net the difference, pocket the difference of $1,500. Step number 6, replicate what you just did. You just contact more people as soon as you need, hire more freelancers, and always pocket the difference. You have consistent cash flow without working too much for like the cash flow itself. It's just work for getting new clients, and that is like taking care of communication and making sure that the service is actually good that the freelancer provides. You obviously have to take care of that. But if you are able to find good people, if you have that skill and develop that skill, that should be pretty easy. And that's also something that we teach in the community. So if you want to pursue that path and you want a more detailed step-by-step plan on how to do it, and you also want people around you where you can really push each other to keep following through, then you can join my community down below. There are loads, currently like almost 600 upcoming entrepreneurs in there that are pursuing exactly this business model. So if you want to join, it's free and you can connect with other people. You have the course. So you have, I want to be honest, you have week 1 of the course, but it already helps you to completely launch your drop servicing business, to really get started with everything. And that is awesome, right? So don't let anyone else that is right now clicking the link get your dream girl that you're in love with. Let's get it. That is really it. And that's how it works. It's not that hard. It's absolutely doable, but you obviously have to put in the work. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're watching this, then you are on the right path. So keep walking. Thank you very much. If you liked the video, leave it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. It really helps out the channel so I can help more people. I'll catch you in the next one. Thank you.